Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a final TOTS pack opening with the MLS. There's an increased chance this weekend, so I'll be opening up to 2 million coins worth of packs. And I'll also be opening some silver packs, but that'll be in another video. So I'll show you my best packs. It's my first pack. And we get fabrics. No, not very good. Second pack. Yes, Dempsey. He's the best one. That's so sick. It's amazing. Fourth 100k pack. I won't let this skip. And we get Keane. 2 team of the season, 4 packs. We're getting the best ones as well. I'll do a skip pack for this one, because the other ones are not giving me anything. Yes, and it works. Skip packs works. Bradley. Welcome to the club. And Lewandowski. Oh, transfer list is full. That's going to be a problem. And Yaya Toure. Wow, same music pack. So that'll be the end of the pack opening. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.